Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here. Welcome to Softech, and in this session we are going to discuss a couple of SAP transaction codes we must be knowing before going for the interview. Some of them are important from the interview point of view, of them are important from the work point of view, and you'd be amazed to see at least one or two transactions which you might have never come across in your SAP entire career. I'm sure about it. So this is a part of the interview preparation for any modules. For all the modules, these transactions are applicable. They're common for all. So we need to, first of all, every one of us have to know the transaction codes which are related to transport organizer. SE09 is mandatory. Transport organizer SE10 also will be used for transport organizer. In another session, I'll be explaining you what is the difference between SE09 and SE10. Meanwhile, you can also explore that through the transaction codes. You can open up in that and do that. SE01 is for extended version of the transport organizer. SE03 is for organizing tools for a transport system. STMS is for transport management system. Data dictionary, we have the transaction code as SE11, and SE12 is data dictionary display. SE16 is data browser. SE17 general table display. Workplace, the transaction code is SBWP, business workplace. SO01 is for business workplace as well. And most of you will be surprised to know that if any two of you are logged in into the SAP with your respective user IDs, you can actually communicate with these transactions. You can communicate, you can send emails, you can send attachments as well, and you can even chat with each other. So there is also a chat facility available here within SAP. So the condition would be that any one of you who is logging into the SAP system can log into can access. If you can access this transaction code, you can also send mails and chat with each other who are all in the same net. And business document OAWD, this is for check-in of business document, and OAOR is for business document finding, and the find list OADR is a transaction code for finding list. And SM35 is for system monitoring. In fact, like for system monitoring, we have a lot of transaction codes. We also have a transaction code called ST05. It's for a SQL trace where we can is the table names that have been accessed by a particular transaction. You can log in into ST05, run a particular transaction or a program, and you can check what are the tables it has touched. So that transaction code is ST05. But SM35 is most important. Everyone is supposed to know. And A11 is the application server file directory wherein you can save any of the documents. If you have the access, you can log in into the transaction code and create your own files. You can save them in the application repository at the application server level. So just like you save some files in your presentation server, you can also save some files in the application server as well for future use. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this, click on the like button, share this with your friends. It can help them. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel www.youtube.com/jsoftech. Have a great day. Thank you.